We're going to pull your left foot towards the right hip for your broken butterfly. Taking your foot to the right hip, allow that left knee to come down towards the floor. So it's just like a hero pose that we've just done, but just on the left leg here. And the foot is more towards the right hip, so your left foot towards the right hip. Butterfly with the right leg, so the right foot comes to the middle of the lower leg of the left leg, and allow that right knee to pop out to the side. So just to recap, left leg is very bent, left foot is next to your right hip, right foot is touching the lower left leg if you can, sole of the foot, and the right knee is popping out to the side. A definite hip flexor stretch here. So getting from the quads into the front of the hips. Anything you want your hands can be on the floor, out to the side, above the head. You could rest the hands onto your heart or your belly. Maybe you can feel your heartbeat or your belly rising and falling with the hands. That's quite a nice way to maintain this concentration.